Unlock a new way to connect. Install Threads by Instagram in seconds. Let's get started. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to install Threads app by Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Google Play Store app on your device. It's your go-to place for all the apps. Now tap on the search icon in the bottom right corner and tap on the search bar at the top and type Threads by Instagram. Then hit the search icon. Once you see the Threads by Instagram in the search result, tap on it to open the app download page. You will see an install button. Tap it and the app will start downloading. It might take a few seconds for it to be downloaded. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Now you will be asked to log in using your Instagram account. So this is how to install Threads app by Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.